Okay guys, so I'm gonna show y'all my Rhino ramps. Let's see if we can oops, oh, drop the flashlight. Let's see, I actually also bought this flashlight off of Amazon, and as you can see I just dropped it and it works perfectly. This is a highly recommended flashlight. It's a Wow Light XMLT6, and it's a very good one. It zooms in, has the strobe lights, all that good stuff. Anyways, let's get back to the ramps. These ramps actually held up pretty good. As you can see, I overhit it, and these are my tire marks right here. So yeah, and there's still like no cracks, no nut. That's actually from the oil change. Yeah, see, they work very well. Had actually pushed them in pretty hard, and they're still working very well. They had no cracks, no dents, none of that stuff. And as you can see, I mean, put up pretty good, guys. So I highly recommend these ramps. I know y'all have seen a lot of pictures of people using them and they just break. Maybe I just got lucky or something, but I do recommend these. If you have a small car or mid-sized car or whatever, I wouldn't recommend it for a truck because it is plastic. Like I said, look, it is plastic. So I wouldn't recommend it if you have a truck. But if you have a car or a mid-sized car, then yeah, just give it a chance. If not, I mean, just return it back and get your money back. But yeah, guys, this is my video. And also, get this flashlight. It's actually a very good flashlight. Okay, see y'all guys later.